Hello there, Chef Elias here. I'm going to show you today about breaking down a clove of garlic and slicing it instead of crushing it. Okay, here we go. So take the garlic and lay it on the board. Make sure that it's, has a good foundation. Take your knife and the broad end of the knife. Give it a nice smack, just enough to break. If you have to give it another light smack, and just peel the clove. And instead of crushing it, which lets out a lot of the oils and which leads to having to do with the mince or to create more surface area, all right, and we'll just again in the C-shape form with your hands curled. The end of the knife will be stationary on the board, and begin to slice the garlic. Okay, when you get to a point where you have to stop, push it over, and you can kind of work along the long way of it. Don't worry about cutting through that root end. It's okay. We can digest it. So now you have some nice, beautiful sliced garlic. Okay, check that out.